beware of Wall Street analysts predicting how a President Biden would affect stocks and market sectors. Market forecasters are only guessing investors' response to the November election, and not necessarily in an educated way. Here are just some of the stock market forecasts emerging from Wall Street's latest parlor game, predicting how different industries and sectors will fare after November's presidential election. Some believe that if Joe Biden becomes the next US president, investors in gold as well as shares of Chinese and clean energy companies will have reason to cheer. If President Donald Trump is re-elected, in contrast, those investments will be hurt, but shares of oil, gas, and coal companies should rally. Don't believe all you hear. The analysts making them have rarely taken the trouble to actually test them. If they had done so in a rigorous way, they would have discovered that there is no statistical significance to the numerous correlations they claim to have found in the data. I know because I did the testing myself. I input into my PC statistical software the prices from the electronic betting markets of the future contracts pegged to Trump or Biden winning this fall. I then searched for correlations between changes in the Trump or Biden contracts and those of more than 3,000 industry and sector ETFs. Try as I might, I came up empty at the 95% confidence level that statisticians frequently use when determining if a pattern is real. I measured correlations in day-to-day returns as well as weekly returns. I also measured correlations over 3 different periods since March, since April, when Democratic presidential candidate Bernie Sanders suspended his campaign, and since June when Biden formally acquired enough delegates to clinch the nomination. Does the absence of any significant correlations mean that it does not matter who wins in November? No, it means other factors have a far greater impact on stock prices than the winner on election day. We should be focusing on these other factors rather than playing Wall Street parlor games. Most of the idea, comment, information, and criticism containing in these videos have been created by Daily News Report. Before making any important investment decision, use the information contained in these videos as a starting point for conducting your own research. If you make any investment or legal decision, it is advised to consult an expert before making this decision.